Ear training made easy. Welcome to the Easy Ear Training course, where you will learn how to train your ear so that you can write down a melody you hear and play it back. You will also learn the language of music.
My name is János Klotz, and I will guide you through the course. I teach music theory and ear training. I have published 3 books and several video courses. I love teaching and always use a simple but effective method. I designed this course for people who love music and want to train their musical hearing to recognize music by ear so that they can sing and play or notate a melody or a song.
By the end of the course, you will have developed your ear to write down and play a melody or song by ear. You will know notation and be able to sing a notated melody. You will learn the language of music by ear. You will understand and be able to notate the 12 tone steps, recognizing the musical ABC by ear. Together, we will go through how to write a melody down by ear. You will learn intervals, triads, and chords, and solve music dictates so that you can transcribe a piece of music by ear.
I will explain how to recognize and write down a 2-part melody and even songs, specifically melodies and chord accompaniments.
The course takes you step by step and is methodically well structured. It forces you to learn the essentials and the best way to build your ear. This course's ideal student loves music and will capture and write down beautiful melodies and songs they like by ear. It is not necessary to play an instrument. The inner ear can be trained faster without an instrument using your singing voice. Everyone is guaranteed to succeed no matter what level of ability they have. Even those who already know how to play an instrument will benefit a lot from the ear training because they will be able to play songs by ear. Thank you for your attention. Start now to educate your ear and learn more about the world of music. Join in the course